Hello everyone, welcome back to Hopetrader Academy. Today we will be doing weekly analysis on all the sectors that includes Nifty, Bank-Nifty and Fin-Nifty. And also you will be learning the major banks, how it is reacting, which are their support levels and everything. Along with that we will also be doing the analysis for global market and commodity market as well. And let's find out what might happen in the next week in our trading career. So let's start first with Nifty. So it's pretty good, same levels might be followed, but let me go to 1 week time frame and remove all the drawings over here. This is Nifty. So here I'm supposed to mark the highest resistance and highest support, and along with that I'm coming down to 1 day time frame. In 1 day time frame, this is one of the highest support. Along with that, the next support I'll be marking is this. So 4 hours time frame. So in 4 hours time frame, supports are good. I'm going to mark the nearest resistance, one more, this zone. So Nifty is been constantly staying in this zone, that is from 19,850 and 19,500. In this zone only Nifty has been trading for more than 2-3 weeks. Okay, at least 1-2 weeks it has been trading in the same zones. So over here, if you come down to 1 hour time frame, you can understand the importance over here, that if it breaks this support for next week, if this breaks this support 19,500, along with the retest, we guys can expect 19,300. This can be our target. And unless and until it breaks 19,850, you guys cannot expect any up move, fresh up move. You guys cannot expect anything in the Nifty. So let's move on. This is weekly analysis. Keep a look of this, take a screenshot of this, and let's move to tomorrow's analysis, like what can happen tomorrow. For that I'm going to 15 minutes time frame. Over here I'm going to mark some supports and resistances. This is Friday's resistance and this is Thursday's high, which comes over here, a zone of 19,675. okay, that is going to be over here. And next, one more support will be this. For 2 days it has taken support around, yes, good, 19,525 it has taken the support. So for tomorrow, if it breaks this, that means tomorrow in the sense the next market day, that will be on most probably Tuesday, I guess. So if it breaks along with the retest, you guys can expect this. Okay, so if it breaks on the downside, you can expect till 19,485 first target, with a small pullback 19,400 you guys can expect. Over here, what will you do if it opens gap up, gap down and a flat opening? So if there is a gap up opening, wait for it to break out. If not, it will get rejected over here. Then you guys can expect the closing as your target. Okay, gap up, I have explained 2 things: breakout, retest, and then we'll go. If not, if it rejected, then we will be shorting it till the closing. So two things I have explained. Now is flat. When it opens flat, wait for either side breakout, then only take the entry. If it is gap down, let it come down, it will get rejected near the closing, then you guys can short it till 19,875 and 19,400. And if it breaks the closing, then you guys can expect 19,585. These are the things that you need to keep in mind. And stop loss, I have seen one comment in my video that please explain the stop loss. So if it gives a breakout on upside, just keep the below this as your stop loss, and if it breaks downside above near the closing is your stop loss. Based on the current market situations, you should take your stop losses. So next, moving on to Bank Nifty 1 week time frame. Resistances are going to be same. Let me delete some of these lines which is not required much. Yes, so the highest resistance and highest support is perfect in Bank Nifty, as you guys can see, and it has made, most importantly, double top. So according to me, market might fall. If it falls, then it can easily fall till target 1 of 41,500 and target 2 of 39,400. this is possible in Bank Nifty due to current market situations and lot of things in the market. This is possible. So along with that, moving on to next analysis in 1 day time frame. Highest support remains the same, no changes in that. 4 hours time frame. Okay, one of the hectic thing this is. Why? Because you can see it has been in a zone. Unless and until Bank Nifty crosses 44,800, we cannot expect any up move. And if Bank Nifty closes below 43,425, then we guys can expect some down move. So 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna give you levels for next week over here. So over here, if you want aggressive buying things, it has to break 44,800, then only we can see. If you want aggressive selling, then it has to break 44,400, then only you guys can see it over here. So this will be my next week plan. So not much of an importance given to that. In 15 minutes time frame, we'll check what can be done. So as you can see over here, okay, there is a downtrend line. So if it breaks, then you guys can expect some move. Okay, till where can we expect? That is one of the important questions. For that, we need to mark some resistances. Okay, you can expect the up move until 44,050. That can be possible for next trading day. And as well as that, if it breaks the downside with a retest, you guys can expect 43,400. So over here also I'll explain you gap up, gap down and flat opening. First is gap up. If there is a gap up, wait for the breakout and then take your entry with a retest on the upside. If not, if it gets rejected over here, then keep it a target of day low and enjoy your profit. Short it out over here and then you guys can get. This is gap up. Now gap down. If it is gap down, wait for it to come near the closing. It will get rejected and then it can go down. If not, if it breaks and breaks the trend line, then go for the up move. Flat opening, wait for either side breakout and take your decisions accordingly. So this is about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty and Nifty, if you compare, Nifty is more clear. Okay, Nifty is more clear than Bank Nifty. So I would like you guys to do the trades in Nifty than Bank Nifty. So next is Fin-Nifty. So here also most of the things will be same, because market has not given any movement. That is the one thing. Okay, market if it has given any movement, then we could have did some other analysis, but it has not given any movement. So I have marked the highest resistance and support. Same way, double top only has been formed in the weekly time frame and we can expect the fall. So the highest resistance in 1 day time frame is done. 4 hours time frame is perfect. In 1 hour time frame, I'll tell you what might happen next week. So if you want good movements, it has to break this. Okay, then only you can have good movements. If not, it has to break 20,000 levels to have a very good movement. So this is not required for as of now. We will focus on intraday. Over here also we are finding some downtrend line. Okay, along with that we have this support. Okay, if it breaks, what will be my next target on the upside? On the upside, you guys can keep this as your target, and on the downside I'll explain. So if it breaks on the upside, I think it might go till 19,700, not more than that. That might be your level. So over here also on the downside, if it breaks a small target of 19,450, that is also good. Here if it opens gap up, then directly it will give a target. If not, if it gets rejected over here, then short it till the low. Same way over here, wait for the market to go up till here. From here you guys can short it and keep the target till the 19,450. Flat opening, wait for breakout. So nothing much interesting in Fin-Nifty. The same as Bank Nifty, you guys can follow over here as well. See one thing, all these indices will coordinate accordingly. It's not like one indices is going up, other indices is going down. It will not be like that. If one is falling rapidly, the other will also fall rapidly. So look all the three together, you will understand what side the market is there. And those who are interested learning more about it, please do join our Hopetrader course. I'll give the link in the description. where you guys can book a meeting with me, okay, one-on-one, and I'll explain you all the course details. And if you have any doubts, you guys can ask me as well, and we will close the deal with 100% refund if you are not profitable. And let's check the banks. So in banks, I'll be checking in higher time frame. So accordingly, I have been telling you from the month of September, it might fall, and as you can see over here, it is falling. 1 day time frame, I'm going to look in higher time frames. See, this was the zone for Axis Bank. Now it has came down, so I guess it might come down more. And ICICI Bank also, nothing special. That means it's low. The power in the stock is low on the upside. There might be a seller present. So here also HDFC has given a very important breakout, and it is trying to sustain above that, but it is getting failed. So I guess it might fall again a little bit down. Next is Kotak Bank. Kotak is also trying very hard. So let's see how it works. So next, moving on to commodities. See, commodities, due to war, there has been a fluctuation in demand and supply. The crude oil prices will rise and fall, and even the gold and silver prices will raise. Why is it? Because of the festivals and also the international policies and international export and imports reason. So this thing, due to war, I cannot depend much on this data, but I can depend on the US markets. It's negative. So if it is negative, then that means we can expect a gap down opening, and with the reversal, I'll be expecting shorting the market on all the three: Nifty, Fin-Nifty and Bank-Nifty. So according to the price action levels, I'm going to take care of it. And if you look into global markets, it's a bloodbath. Okay, not that much, not the time that we saw it in the COVID, but it's bad. Everything is negative. Even our market, everything is in negative. So be careful. On the next trading day, it is going to be volatile, as well as it is going to be a gap down opening. So trade carefully. Do not rush into the market with any kind of orders. Let the market settle down for the first 20 or 30 minutes, and then you guys can go with the slow momentum movements. And if you are good at trading, then you guys can go with first 50 minutes, or after 5 minutes you guys can go into that. So if you have any doubts, comment below. And if you want to learn complete stock market from A to Z, and also want to make a career in stock market field, it's not only about trading, about the different careers in stock market, you should join our course. I'll give the description. In the description, I'll give the link for the registration, where you need to book a call with me one-on-one, and then we are going to discuss all the things that any doubts you have regarding the course. I'm going to explain it to you. You guys can clarify there itself, and then you can register to our course. And if you are not profitable within 100 days, we will be refunding 100% of your course amount. So that's it for today. We'll meet on the next analysis. Till then, like our video and subscribe to my channel.